Have you ever wondered about the hidden powers of a simple bay leaf? What if I told you that placing just one bay leaf on your feet could save you countless trips to the pharmacy? Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the astonishing benefits that will transform your health and well-being. Stay tuned to discover these life-changing secrets. Bay leaves contain compounds like linalool, which is known for its calming effects. When placed on your feet, the essential oils from the bay leaf can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Struggling with insomnia? The natural sedative properties of bay leaves can enhance the quality of your sleep. By placing a bay leaf on your feet before bedtime, you can enjoy a deeper, more restful sleep, waking up refreshed and rejuvenated. Bay leaves have been used traditionally to aid digestion. The active compounds in bay leaves can stimulate the digestive system, helping to alleviate issues like bloating, indigestion, and constipation when absorbed through the skin on your feet. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves can work wonders for pain relief. Whether you're dealing with sore muscles, joint pain, or even headaches, placing a bay leaf on your feet can provide natural pain relief, reducing the need for over-the-counter painkillers. Bay leaves are rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for a strong immune system. Absorbing these nutrients through your feet can help bolster your body's defenses, making you less susceptible to common colds and infections. The natural compounds in bay leaves can support your body's detoxification process. By placing a bay leaf on your feet, you can help your body eliminate toxins more efficiently, leading to improved overall health and vitality. Chronic inflammation is a common issue that can lead to various health problems. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves can help reduce inflammation in your body, providing relief from conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Better circulation. Bay leaves can stimulate blood flow, improving circulation throughout your body. Enhanced circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your cells, promoting better overall health and faster recovery from injuries. Antifungal and antibacterial properties. Bay leaves have powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties. By placing a bay leaf on your feet, you can help prevent and treat fungal infections, such as athlete's foot, and protect against bacterial infections. Enhanced metabolism. The compounds in bay leaves can help boost your metabolism, aiding in weight management and increasing your energy levels. By placing a bay leaf on your feet, you can support your body's metabolic processes, helping you stay active and healthy. Incorporating a simple bay leaf into your daily routine can bring a myriad of health benefits, from stress relief to improved digestion and beyond. Don't underestimate the power of nature's remedies. Try this easy and cost-effective method, and say goodbye to frequent trips to the pharmacy. Transform your health, one step at a time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible natural health tips.